Next, let's create the code to select a color to draw on this sprite. First is the red color button. Click on the red color button in the component section at the bottom left side of the interface and drag a when button red click code block here. At the time of clicking the red button, the drawing color should be set as red in stage 1. Here we call stage 1 because all these sprites are in stage 1. I click again on the stage under the canvas blocks and drag a set stage 1 background color to code block into the when button red click code block. Do we need to change the background color? No. What we need to change is the drawing color. I click on this arrow and select drawing color instead of background color. Next, click on the box showing the colors and select red for the color. Okay, by the time we select the red color, the code has been created. Next is the blue color button. For this, you need to create the same code as it is for the red color button. If you want to create the same code again and again, we know that we have to duplicate that part. So let's duplicate these code blocks for the remaining 4 colors. I right-click on the when button red click code block and give duplicate. Drag the duplicated code block here and change the name of the button to button blue. Also click on this box and select the blue color. Next is the button green. I duplicate this code block once again and drag the duplicated code block and change the name of the button to button green. Click on this box and green color is given as the color. Once more, right-click on the code block and duplicate is given. Drag the duplicated code block here and change the name of the button to button black. Also, click on this box and select the black color. The last button is the button yellow. I duplicate this code block once again. Drag the duplicated code block and change the name of the button to button yellow. Click on this box and give the color as button yellow. You may remember there were 3 more buttons like erase, clear and back among these buttons. When erasing, what happens is we use some color to draw a white line on the top of that line. Then the previously drawn line fades away. Therefore, it is correct if white color is given as the drawing color for button erase. Next, let's duplicate the previous code block in this way once again. Okay, drag the duplicated code block down and give the name of the button as button erase. Also, you need to select the white color for the color here. Next, let's see what should happen when the back button is clicked. When button back is clicked, first the home screen should be displayed. Also, the sprite that is currently displayed should be hidden. At this point, any of the 4 sprites can be displayed on the canvas. We cannot say for sure which sprite is displayed. So we have to create the code to hide all 4 sprites. I click on button back from components here and drag the when button back click code block like this. Now drag a navigate to home screen code block in the control group like this. Let's drag 4 hide code blocks under looks into this code block like this. The sprite of these code blocks are arranged as sprite 1, sprite 2, sprite 3 and sprite 4 respectively. Okay, there is one more button left. That is button clear. When you click on this button, all the drawings of the canvas should be removed. For this, click on button clear from components and drag a when button clear code block like this. Let's drag a clear drawing on canvas 1 code block from the canvas blocks into this when button clear code block. Okay, now we have finished creating the drawing app. Some components in this app are not displayed correctly on the computer. Therefore, as taught in the first lesson, install the Thunkable app on your smartphone, log on to your account and test this app live. This is how the home screen is displayed. I click on the paint button here. Now, this way I get a picture to paint. You can paint this picture by selecting colors in this way. It can also be erased. See, when you click the clear button, the drawings we drew will be completely removed. I clicked the back button and came to the home screen. So now if you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. To see the creation you have made, WhatsApp it to the phone number note 7681252244. Tell your friends also about the creation you have made. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing. You too can now join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school as well. We are ready to give you all the guidance for that. If you want to start a DP Coding Club in any school where computer labs are available, make a request through the principal of your school to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So see you with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.